Ma'am, so now we're going to do revision, right?
Revision. What are the chapters are left? I think perimeter and area we supposed to do, Nana, because most of the students are little late, so I'm unable to complete in the for all the people. So we'll start at mensuration only. Before going to mensuration, I want to know what is yes. What is this shape, children?
Circle.
Okay.
Okay, and we have some other shapes too. Let me draw everything so that you can understand. What
Square.
is this?
Square.
Rectangle.
Rectangle.
Oh, ma'am, it's
Okay, okay, okay. Don't worry. Because I just. What is this, children?
Square.
square.
Square. And what other figures? Okay, let it be. Now, perimeter is nothing but what is perimeter? General words, perimeter is nothing but boundary length, right?
Sum of all,
children?
Sum
Length
of all sides.
sum of all sides.
Uh, But it is this is a circle is in other. I know I can't calculate that. How I supposed to
Ma'am,
do?
the outer boundary of any polygon is known as
Curved region. This the length of curved region, right? Children, in lower classes, even we are doing some activity like you are taking thread and you are placing on the circle how much thread is happening, and again you're based on scale you are using and you are measuring the length of. Yes, did you complete this activity in your lower classes, children? Children will enjoy a lot. I think so.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I didn't.
Yeah. Okay, of course. Children, some place we are fixing, and in on the boundary circle area we are placing one thread on the. Then we are taking that thread exactly how much thread we are using for boundary. That thread you are using your scale and measuring, and you are finding the perimeter. That is the lower classes. But you are coming to senior classes, you have some formulas to calculate the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but 2 pi r, children. 2 pi r. 2 pi r. So let me write, children.
Ma'am, click on home.
Oh, yeah. Something I changed the options. That's why it's not coming. What is this, children? What is this?
Diameter.
Okay.
Ma'am, it is a diameter and a semicircle also.
Very good. 2 semicircles. You are
Ma'am,
asking
two, ma'am,
about
not one.
Yeah,
two
that's it.
semicircles. Right.
That is called as diameter also.
Yes, diameter. Suppose this is what is this point, children?
Center. Center of the
Center
circle.
point.
Center.
Center of the circle.
So this AB is nothing but center is exactly from center to any point on the circle. Not only this point, if you draw from here to here, this is also
Yes.
what is this? Center to
Radius.
any point on the circle. Radius.
Yes.
Yes, this part is radius. Now, to find out area of the circle, we have formula, children. Area of circle is pi r square. Pi r square. Perimeter is nothing but 2 pi r. Perimeter is nothing but 2 pi r. You just see here, children. 2 pi r. That means what is perimeter? It's nothing but boundary length. Suppose who is asking semicircle perimeter, how you supposed to calculate, children? This curved region as well as this diameter. Yes or no, children? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that is the part of your semicircle. If you know that curved region, suppose
Ma'am,
R value is
ma'am, or we can also do like when we got the perimeter, we can do in the
what, ma?
ma'am, when we do the perimeter and we got the perimeter, then we
Yeah,
can
you will get 2 pi r. Pi r plus pi r is yes. Pi r plus pi r is 2 pi r. That means this semicircle is. But we are not calculating the radius, right, children? I think yes, children. You can semicircle means half of
Yes, ma'am. Means
perimeter.
we can directly tell that pi r only we
Pi
can
r. Pi r.
pi
That's
into
all.
r. Okay, ma'am.
That's all. That's all. They won't give anything, children. I think except radius, they won't give anything. Like that also, if you are going, you just substitute in place of 3.14 instead of pi, or else 22/7. What is the pi value, children? You know pi history, children?
3.14 and
3.14.
22/7.
It's an approximation. It's not an exact value, or we can use as equal to 22/7. We are celebrating in our school's Pi Day too. When is Pi Day, children?
Pi day.
Pi Day. You are celebrating in your school's Pi Day, children?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Friday
Yes.
is not Friday, it's March 14th.
Ma'am, we don't celebrate Pi Day.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
Hey,
Even we
it's
do.
Pi Day. Pi Day we are celebrating in our schools. It's not cry, CRY cry, Pi, PIE Pi Day.
Yes, ma'am. We are not celebrating.
I think you know. I think some student Yeshan said the correct word. Yeshan, please come up. When we celebrate Pi Day.
It's March 14th, ma'am, because in the American date writing system, it will come as 3/1, 3/14.
Yes, ma'am. I got it. Third one, 14th date.
Okay, children, there is a interesting about pi values. I even there is some word in the Sanskrit. If you know that Sanskrit word, you can easily recognize 3 point after 64 decimal places. You can easily remember that word.
Ma'am,
I
I
will
know a
get
few.
you
I
back.
know until, ma'am, I know like 10 or 15. I used to know like 100, but then I forgot.
That's why because that sentence, if you know that whatever the
Ma'am,
sentence is in the Sanskrit, children, it is there. Please
Ma'am, it
go
was
through such a research.
3.141592653589799323846336.
Wonderful, very good, very good. I'll appreciate the student. Please go through such a innovations, children. These are makes a lot of interest on this concept too. Pi Day, generally in our India, we are celebrating 14th March, children. 14th March, we are celebrating as Pi Day. Okay, we'll go with the menstruation right now. These are basic part. I won't take more. Yes, shall we start the chapter, children? Menstruation chapter. What are the plans we will go with? Menstruation.
Ma'am, which chapter
Yes,
are you
ma'am.
doing?
Mensuration. That means areas and
Ma'am,
perimeter.
ma'am, I joined a little late because of laptop.
We didn't start anything, Jait. We are just discussing about pi day, pi point.
Ma'am, you're saying something like 14th, 14th.
Yes,
Yeah,
that
we
is the
celebrate Pi Day on March
14th
14th.
March. March 14th every year in our school we are celebrating. I'm not sure about other schools, children. We
What,
are
ma'am? What
celebrating
are you
Pi Day.
celebrating?
Ma'am, in
Pi
our
Day,
school
Pi
it's
Day.
not there, ma'am.
5 day.
In our
Yeah.
schools also it is
Pi
not
Day.
there.
Ma'am, then
Because
I
to make
have
our
a
student,
doubt, ma'am.
children, what is the intention behind to celebrate that Pi Day? Generally, children may forgot to know pi value as 3.4. We are celebrating particular day about pi value. That's why they're completely reminding the pi value as 3.14. That's why 14th third month means it's March 14th. We are celebrating Pi Day in our school. So the value of pi is 3.14. Next. 1 minute, children. I'll take that. Basic part, shall we go with a small quiz, children? Because if I'm taking one everything like basic things, we will go with a small
Yes,
small
ma'am. Ma'am,
quiz.
rational numbers, can we go with rational
Ma'am,
numbers?
we'll do in class only, ma'am. Otherwise, joining that. And
Class
again, we'll
only.
join with different names. Yes.
No, who are different names? Children, one thing, who are joining from different names, I won't consider their
Ma'am, you can remove
scores
them,
only.
ma'am. You can remove
Even
them.
though if they're getting first also, I won't consider. You join from your original names, children, because others are.
Okay, ma'am. Let's do it. Ma'am, can we go with quiz?
Ma'am, you're sending the link.
How many quiz, many chapters?
Ma'am, I have a doubt, ma'am. In the chat box, we cannot send to everyone, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am, you give the everyone?
Yes, ma'am. Because if we have some like
Yeah, first let ma'am copy the link.
yeah.
Ma'am? Yeah. Ma'am is sending one link.
Ritvik, can you
Children,
please
go
mute?
with, have you wrote your test? Yes, I'm sending. 1 minute, children. 1 minute. I'm searching for that. Okay.
Send
1 minute, children. I'll come to you. Because this is children, no, because the class 6 menstruation, if you know well, then only we will go with yes, please.
Ma'am,
will go,
ma'am,
ma'am.
yes. Ma'am, we'll go for the quiz.
Yes, I'm sharing, children. Class 6 menstruation topic. This is for recapitulation topic. Recapitulation. Just we'll go with how many
you
questions
send
you
to
want.
everyone? Can you
Ma'am,
send to
15.
Yeah.
Ma'am, 15.
Only 15 you want, children. Only 15
20,
questions you want.
20?
Ma'am, 20,
Ma'am,
20.
15, 20, 15, 20.
Yes, ma'am.
In between 15 and 20. Okay. Okay, 15 questions. Your target time is 5 minutes, children. 5 to 10 minutes.
Ma'am?
Yes,
Ma'am, we
yes.
didn't get the link, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, but when
Five.
we have net issue, it will always show that powers and all, ma'am, it will take.
Okay, okay. We'll see, children. We'll try our best. It's not a mind examination. We'll go to try with the. Where is the students? Right. I'm sharing link with you in the group, children.
What chat box? Ma'am, in the
Chat.
WhatsApp.
No, in our chat box, no, class chart is there.
Send to
Just to share,
everyone,
please.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Send
I sent to everyone only, children.
Ma'am, we got.
You get. Okay, please join quickly,
Yes,
children.
ma'am, we
Please
got
join.
Got it.
Ritvik, I didn't see many classes. Why? Any?
Ma'am, there, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, ma'am, in my quiz, my name is coming as Ritvik N, ma'am. Not the
Okay.
three dots.
I know. Ritvik N means you only.
Yes, ma'am, because
Come on,
before
children.
it was coming dots, right, ma'am?
Yeah, this is a basic part. Once you're very aware about students, come on, please join quickly. 7, 8,
Start
9.
the quiz.
Ma'am, are you able to see my name?
Yes, I can see Jayit, Shivaprano, Harini, Satvika, Srivi means.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ritvik, can you off your cam? Ritvik, can you please off your cam?
Stay. Where is Ahana? Please join Ahana. Ahana, Ishan, please join quickly.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking, ma'am.
My voice is breaking, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Because ma'am, like if anyone on their cam and you have internet issues, also can. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, so sorry, children. I'll start the quiz. I can see 11 students are there. Who are others? Others, please join quickly. Vallabha joined. Sri Vallabha. Right. All the best, children. Quickly. Now 62. I will stop at 27.
Ma'am, which chapter quiz is this, ma'am? Ma'am, you're on mute.
Area and perimeter.
Okay.
Ma'am, completed. Ma'am, more 1 minute only, ma'am. Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am? Ma'am, are you there?
I can see Ritvik completed, Ahana is going to complete, Satvika is doing
Ma'am,
wonderful.
Ritvik can join from 3 devices.
Sorry, not Ritvik and Ritvik R is placed. Don't worry about the part, children. Honestly, do your thing.
Ma'am,
I can appreciate.
Ma'am, you
Ma'am?
understand me, sir.
Ma'am,
Oh. Yes.
ma'am, that will not come as 3 devices, ma'am. If we reattempt, ma'am, there's an option to reattempt, ma'am. So when we do that, it will come like that, ma'am.
No, we should not do
Don't go,
reattempt. Do only one time.
don't go, children. Sometimes the students without knowing also they are doing, but don't go, children. Quietly do the test.
Ma'am, I completed with the test, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is 28.
Yes, children. I'm going to end right now. Ahana is come on, children, please.
Ma'am, in the test I'm clicking another answer, it's showing me another answer, ma'am.
Why it is? Let me check the questions 1 minute and see. Yeah, 1 meter square equal to how many centimeters square, children? 1 meter.
10,000 centimeters square.
Why? Because 100 into 100, 10,000.
Ma'am, this is a perimeter. The sum of lengths of all sides in the plane figure is called perimeter. Ma'am,
Next.
say true or false, the perimeter of a square 36 centimeters square is 24 centimeters. True.
No, the perimeter of square area. No, the perimeter of
false,
square
ma'am.
area is
False, but it is showing true, ma'am. When I kept false, it is showing true.
Yes, ma'am.
okay. Sometimes don't worry, maybe me given
Ma'am,
mistake
18
also. You
is
know
the
the
answer, right, ma'am? But 18 is the answer, right?
see, children, the perimeter of square of area 36 means a square equal to a value is 6, children. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, 6 fours are how much?
24.
Children, 6 fours are how much?
24.
24 is true only, children. 24.
Yes,
24 is true, children. 24 is true. Because here area is 36 means a square equal to 36, a value you can take it as 6 centimeters. If you take a side as 6 centimeters, all 4 sides 4 into 6, 24 centimeters. It's true, children. Think about the questions, children. Don't answer blindly.
Ma'am, but we don't know all that square roots, ma'am.
No, 6 square is general question, right? It's not more than 100. You know 6 table, right?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yeah, more
The
than
square
100 means really, I will accept, children. Okay, don't worry about that. One new thing we are learning means please, I will appreciate the students. You are trying at least your level. The perimeter of regular pentagon is
Like this.
the length of each side is 100 by 5. Why? Because I should do. Why I should do with 5, children?
And
Who will say answer?
pentagon is a 5-sided polygon, so we have to divide 5.
Ma'am,
Harini.
ma'am, one question. It shows work out the perimeter of the shape, ma'am. Ma'am, it has 2 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 3 centimeters, and 9 centimeters. Ma'am,
Okay.
ma'am, actually, I got the sum as 35, but then the answer shows as 34, ma'am.
Okay. We'll discuss, Harini. Don't worry.
Yes.
See here, children. Regular pentagon means all sides are equal, children. Regular means all sides are equal. That's why I'm dividing with 5. 5 means 20. Each side is 20 cm. The side of square whose perimeter is 64. Perimeter 64 means divide with 4 children. 4 ones are for
16, ma'am.
16. Each side is 16. Each side is 16 centimeters. What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? Equilateral means all sides are equal, so that
25 into 3, ma'am. 75 centimeters.
25 centimeters.
right. 6 kilometer for 35 meters as meters
The
means
last one, 635
640.
kilometers.
Ma'am, 6,000.
right
last
children.
one.
Last one. Why? Because
6,435 meters.
the simple means
Mensuration.
the simple means the act of measuring. What is this? What is this? The simple means the act of measuring.
Ma'am, it is mensuration.
Computation, mensuration, formulation. It's a mensuration. Measuring units. Measuring is always mensuration.
L into B, ma'am. Last one.
Square. The L into L, side into side is square.
Calculate area of the shape.
8 meters square.
8 meters square.
8 meters square. 8 meters square.
Calculate
meters
area of
square.
the shape. Same thing.
8 meters square. Again,
Work out
Ma'am,
this area
24
with the shape.
centimeters square.
ma'am, 24 meters square. Centimeters square because 8, 10.
Work
and,
out the area of this shape. No,
Ma'am, we
children.
should
Work
add
out
all
the. No. Here they are not asking about perimeter. They are asking about area. If all sides, you know, how you supposed to find out area, children?
You don't know.
Ma'am,
Is it clear?
Ma'am, I did in the way
Half
like
basic.
I added all and kept the same.
Ma'am, when it shows
No,
the
it's
correct answer is
children,
24
children,
centimeters
listen.
square.
Very good. It's a Pythagoras property. Pythagoras theorem we can apply because 6, 8, 10 are Pythagorean triplets. So that we can use a half base into height. Half base is 8 into height is 6. So for 2 times 4, 6 are 24 square centimeters. 24 centimeters. How you are getting? You understand, children?
Yes, ma'am. Half base into height.
Why I'm using half base into height means it's looking the Pythagorean triplets. The sides 6, 8, 10 are Pythagorean triplets, children. You know
Yes,
that
ma'am, I
what
was
are
talking
Pythagorean
about this
triplets?
question, ma'am. Ma'am, the next
Hypotenuse
question.
square equal to hypotenuse square equal to sum of squares of other
10.
2 legs. 6 square plus 8 square gives
Ma'am,
6
10 is the
square 36.
hypotenuse.
Perimeter of triangle.
Ma'am, this
What, ma'am?
question, ma'am, I think it is a mistake.
No, it is not. See. A few sides they didn't give the length.
Yeah, I counted them also. 5 plus 5, 10, 19 plus 9, 19 plus 2, 21 plus 8, 29 plus 6 is 50. 29 plus 6 is
I just did the and I got 23rd, ma'am. Correct, ma'am. This correct.
Ma'am, actually I was having a power cut. Ma'am, can we play another quiz?
Ma'am,
We
I
will go.
correct,
Just
ma'am.
let me.
I calculated all the sides.
Ma'am,
You got correct?
actually I was having.
Listen, children.
Yes,
3
ma'am, I
plus
got
3,
correct.
6. 5 plus 5, 10. So 10 plus 6 means 16. 16 plus 8. 16 plus 8 is 24. 24 plus 2 is 26. 26 plus 9 is 35.
Ma'am,
Right,
even
children.
I got 35, ma'am.
35 correct.
Ma'am, but it shows that correct answer is
Sorry, ma'am.
34 centimeters.
Correct, Harini. You're correct. Don't worry about the answer. What we are
Ma'am,
doing is
no,
correct.
ma'am. Actually, it is showing the correct answer is 34 centimeters.
Oh, in quiz it is showing 34.
Yeah,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Oh, that's wrong, children. Somewhere maybe the part is wrong. What is the name of the shape, children?
Ma'am, trapezium.
Yeah, what you know about trapezium?
Trapezium doesn't have equal length or breadth.
Okay. What do you know? Is it any pair of parallel sides?
No, ma'am, it doesn't have any pair of parallel sides.
AB and DC are parallel sides or not?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So one pair of parallel sides means trapezium, children. One pair of parallel sides is a trapezium. If non-parallel sides are equal in trapezium, we can call it as isosceles trapezium, children. We will learn little later. Don't worry about those. We will learn later.
One more question.
And can you give like another one?
Okay, children. We'll go with one more.
Ma'am, given rational numbers or fractions?
1 minute, children. I'm sharing one more link. Please mute your mic, children. Someone mic is unmuted. It's a lot of disturbance, please. I think Gohit not joined today's.
Yes, ma'am.
No,
Ma'am, did
Gohit,
you call
I'm
me?
waiting. No, I called. Why? Because Gohit need to join. Please, what help I can?
Ma'am, the quiz is not working right, ma'am. I'm trying it, ma'am. I'm doing that from that time.
That's right.
I'm just
You
clicking the
can
link,
create
typing
an
my
account
name and
and
joining,
join.
ma'am.
You can create an account and join.
Wait, I'm trying.
What are the units for area, children? Generally, what are the units for area?
Centimeter
Yes.
square.
Ma'am, centimeter square.
Units, square centimeters,
Meter
right?
square.
Okay, children, 20 questions are there. It's the easiest only. Please try, children. Don't worry about
Ma'am, I joined, ma'am, but I again got kicked out.
Okay.
Ma'am, I joined, ma'am, but again. Ma'am, I joined.
Yeah,
Okay.
you join the next quiz now.
Okay.
Ma'am will send the
I
link.
am sharing once again. Please join here. Please join, children.
And I came.
Come on, children. At least 50, 100 questions are target today. Practice.
Okay.
Come on, children. Come on, make it
I've
fast.
already
If you
done 15 questions and now 35 questions.
Yes.
Ma'am, is this again the same one?
No, another one. No.
Ma'am, which lesson?
The same lesson only, and not the same part of the quiz. So it's
Okay, ma'am.
questions are little different. You just go. You can experience new things here.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Shall I start, children? I think Harini Harini joined Raghav, Ritika,
Ma'am, even I have.
and Sri Vallabha, Jait, and Pranav is. Come on, quickly join, children. Sapika. Yes, please, other students. I can see 8 students. 9, Ahana. And Ishan, are you there, Ishan? Ishan, are you there? Please join.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
I can
joined.
see. Go ahead. Very good, very good.
Ma'am, I joined, ma'am, but I got kicked out again.
Where is my Ishan? I'm not seeing
Ma'am,
you.
it's still visible, ma'am, because I really just got kicked out again, ma'am.
We will go positively. Don't worry. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, or I'll try some quizzes on my own, ma'am. I'll search for some quiz and try it on my own.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. That's at least some part of practice you will get. Shall I start, children? Yes, yes, yes. Come on. Who are there? All the best, children.
Yes, ma'am. Start, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, why does it store the show that I'm still in the quiz, ma'am.
Ma'am, my quiz is not opening.
Ma'am? Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I got disconnected, so I'm rejoining again the quiz, but it's still showing my name. Can we play another quiz?
Very good, Satvika. Let them complete. If you are doing still. Pranav also doing nice. Shiva Pranav.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Raghav.
There are many sums which I don't know how to solve, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay.
there is a question
Yes, ma'am.
which is
Even me,
wrong,
I'm
ma'am.
how to solve that.
Ma'am, I understand how to
Okay,
solve.
we will
Ma'am,
discuss. We
and
will discuss. Don't worry. Harini, is it any difficulties, Harini?
yes, ma'am, no difficulties, but then one question is wrong.
Okay. We will see, children. Don't worry. If you're not getting, also don't worry. You just try it your level best so that we can go with our.
Bharti, ma'am?
Yes, ma. Yes, Ishan, I can
Ma'am,
see
my
you.
laptop is at 5% and my charger is not working, so I'll have to leave the class.
Okay, right, Ishan. Right.
Bye, ma'am.
Right, Nana? Right. Bye. The distance around, yeah, this is okay. This is fine. Perimeter, this is also okay. It's perimeter means you can count and write. Here, what is perimeter, right? You can. Okay, area also we can. Composite, what area of composite we write? Find the area. The perimeter of the shape. This inside you can. Okay, children, questions are no new, children. It's a very concept-based questions only. Who is facing difficulties here? Raghav, I think we can split up the part of question. I think you are facing difficulties. I think last few bits. You can divide into squares or rectangles, Raghav.
You should
The
divide.
figures which,
Yes, ma'am,
yeah,
we
yeah.
can
Suppose
divide it.
if you divide the figure, if you divide into
Ma'am,
either
then you can
rectangle
do
or
7
square, then
into
you can.
3 plus 7 into 3 plus 15 minus 7 into 2.
Very good. 15 minus 7 into 2. Very good. Like that, you can apply your concept. Children. It's not a very tough question. It's a very interesting quiz. Really interesting questions are there. Okay, don't worry, children. Try your level. If you have any difficulties, you just divide the figure into either squares or rectangles. What are the possible ways? Please think and do according to that. Shiva Pranav is doing wonderful job. He's slow and steady. Satvika, Ahana also wonderful. Good children, good. Ritvik, Sri Vallabha, I think it is Sri means.
When I was there, I got second, ma'am. Again,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Vallabha, I'm seeing you're doing well this test. Menstruation test, you're doing well. Good. Keep it up, good work.
Yes. Thank you, ma'am.
Because some students, they're very good in geometry concepts. You see Raghav here, Vallabha is arithmetical portion. Some are so good. Some students are good in algebra part. Sorry, geometry part. Come on, children. Children, do it. Ma'am, can you send the link? I think Srusti is asking. Srusti, are you there? Srusti is there ma in the meet? Okay. I'm sending Srusti. Please check it. Ahna, are you there? Very good.
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
students are doing wonderful geometrical skills. You have very nice skills in geometry. Good. Kindly come up. Aditi also doing well. I think Srusti has some network issue today. Srusti, are you there? Srusti, are you there? No. Okay, okay, Srusti, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, Srusti, I will try to unmute. 1 minute. Yes, Srishti, now you check. Srishti, now you check.
Ma'am, can you send
Yes,
another
check
quiz?
last. Okay. Yes, last Harini reached top and she pushed the two students down. Okay, Satvika and Apna. Vallabhai is doing and Raghav is still few questions are doing. Okay. Let them complete, children. We will start. Oh, Srishti is unable to unmute again. 1 minute, Srishti, I gave controls. Yes, maybe your network issue ma today. That's why admit me. Okay, where are you? 1 minute, I'll see. I didn't get only your request, Srishti.
Ma'am, can you explain a few things, ma'am?
Yes,
Ma'am,
yes,
you are
we are
able to
doing.
hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, Srishti. Right now, I can hear you. We'll go with questions. Very good. Last Shiva Pranam, last bit is doing. So that once the test is over, we'll go with our
Can
questions.
I explain, ma'am?
Ma'am, like you
Okay,
won't
okay,
send the
Harini.
quizzes again?
No
Ma'am, you
quiz.
won't
These are the questions. Few students have doubts. Let them clarify the doubts, ma.
Okay.
Yes, I think
Ma'am,
last
after that, will you
question.
send the
Pranav.
quiz complete?
You want to play once again, children? One
Yes,
more
ma'am.
quiz. Next class we will
Ma'am,
see,
can
children.
we
Today it's
discuss
already.
these questions and then play?
These questions we will discuss next time, right? Okay, I think the quiz is
Yes,
completed,
ma'am.
children.
Sure.
Yeah, we'll discuss the questions. Wait.
Complete.
Congratulations, Harini, Shiva Pranav, and Satvika and Ahana too. Very good. Very good, Ahana, Raghav. First 5 places. Very good. Yeah, you just see the questions, children. Find the area 16 into 10, 160 square feet. And what's area means unit squares. 1, 1, 1. There are 6 square units. And the distance around the object is perimeter. The space inside the object is area. And what is perimeter of a rectangle means you have to sum up all the sides, children. 14
22
plus
yards.
8.
22 yards.
22 square yards, Nana.
Yeah,
Not
ma'am,
yards. 22 square.
22 yards, ma'am.
Sorry,
Only 22
sorry,
yards.
sorry. 22 yards only correct because it's perimeter. It's not area.
Yes, ma'am.
Very
36,
good. Next.
36 units.
Next.
36 units.
Perimeter means 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Ma'am, I have a doubt
1,
here. 36
3,
units, right?
5.
But it is showing 24
5
units.
plus 3, 8, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12,
No,
13,
see,
14, 16, 17,
Ritvik,
18,
you have to
19, 20,
count like
21,
even the
22,
corners. I
23.
think you're counting each cube or something, right? In the corners. No, but you have to count like every side which is there.
Okay.
Just unit squares, children. These all are unit squares. You just add up how many units are there.
Ma'am,
The boundaries
I
units.
found that. Ma'am, I thought which is inside.
No, no, don't count inside portion is area. Here they're asking about perimeter. You need to add up boundaries. How many, what is the length of the boundary you're supposed to, you take each length of one box is 1 centimeter. Like that you can add up and do it.
I got wrong.
Don't count each. Okay, what perimeter means you just sum up all the sides. What is the area of shaded region? Yeah, here area of shaded region, you just make it as a square, children, please. So that you know this is a 5 fours are 20. This area is nothing but a square units. Why? Because this is 2. And till here it's 2 means 5 minus 3. 3 into 2 is 6. 3 twos are 6, 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 6, 20.
Ma'am, 26.
5
Even
fours
I
are
did
20. 5 fours are 20. Yes, it's true. And if you add up this means this complete length is 2. This is 3, right? This is 3. This is 2. Means it's no, children. It's 20 plus 4, 24 square units. Not 20, 24. Because opposite to this is 2 meters. Opposite to 2 is 2. So it's a square, children. Square means 4
And when I
square.
keep
20
it,
plus
it's showing that wrong.
Next, find the area of the shape. If you just connect these two lines, you will get 7 threes are 15. 15 plus 17 minus 15 minus 7 is 15. 1 minute, children. Harini, please continue with the rest of the bits, please.
Yes, ma'am. The next bit, it shows the area. We have to find the area, so we can divide this cube. You can either divide it like 12 into 3 or 7 into 3. So if you're dividing it like 12 into 3, then you have to put a cut, cutting from the 7 meters line you have to cut, and then you can make it like 12 into 3 in brackets and plus as you cut it here you have to do 12 minus 3 which is 9, and then the next one can be 9, and then this line over here will be 6 because 3 plus 3 is 6, 12 minus 6 is 6. So plus 6 into 15 minus 10, because if you see the bottom line, which is there, it is 10 meters, and the bottommost line is 15. So 15 minus 10 is 5. So it will be 6 into 5. So 5 plus the last one, which is 10 into 3. 3. If you add all these numbers, 12 into 3 plus 6 into 5 plus 10 into 3, then 12 3s are 36. 6 5s are 30 plus 15 3s are plus 45. If you add all these numbers, then you get 111 meters square. In this figure, they have already drawn like an imaginary line. So with this imaginary line only you can continue. And the first side can be 4, and then the breadth can be 2. You can write it in brackets plus 6 minus 2, because the breadth of the first graph is 2. So 6 minus 2, which is 4. So 7 into 4. 4 twos are 8 plus 7 fours are 28, which gives you 32. No, wait. 28 plus Yes, ma'am, 36. 8 plus 28. So the answer will be 36 square centimeters.
Ma'am? Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am, are you there?
Yes, children, I'm there. Continue. Yes.
Yes. Ma'am, in this you have to add the sum of all these. So 6 plus 4 is 10 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So 20 plus 10 is 30. So the answer is 30 centimeters square. No, and 6 minus 4, which is 2. You have to add it because like there is a line over there where the dimension is not given. So it will be 32 centimeters. Yes. Could you go down? Ma'am, could you go down? Yes. So in this figure A, the length on the top is 12 and the on the side it is 10. So the length of A will be 4 as like on the top it is 3 on the right side, on the
Excuse me, ma'am.
bottom it is 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. So A will be 4 and B 7 and B are parallel, so B will equal to 7. And 12 and C are parallel, so the length of
excuse
A
me,
will be
Arpi.
12. Yeah.
I just sorry to interrupt, but I have a doubt. I want to ask now.
Oh yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. Am I there?
Ma'am, are you there? Ma'am, are you there?
Children, I'm here. I'm here. I'm here.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can we discuss these sums tomorrow, ma'am? It's
Yes.
very tiring day.
Okay, okay, children. Okay, it's already time is 7:15. We'll meet in tomorrow, children. Bye. Have a good day, children.
Ma'am, bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Bye, children.
Thank you,